Morning students. In previous class we have done the exercises of the chapter Monday Morning Blues. Now we will learn something new, that is the new chapter, The Tale of a Tale. T-A-L-E, tale means story और T-A-I-L, tale means पूंछ. ठीक है. It is a story of a boy named Swaminathan who gets very angry with his friends for something. Is he able to solve his problem or does it lead to another fight? So this is a story of a boy Swaminathan who has some problem with his friend, and here the question arises that is he will be able to solve his problem or it will end at the fight. And this story is written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is a renowned story writer, and the speciality of his story is that he never gives the ending of his story. He leaves the ending to the reader. मतलब क्या हुआ कि वो अपने स्टोरी का एंडिंग नहीं लिखते हैं, वो रीडर के ऊपर छोड़ देते हैं कि वो डिसाइड करेंगे कि इसका एंडिंग एक्चुअली में होना क्या चाहिए. स्टोरी इस मोड़ पे आके ख़त्म करते हैं कि रीडर्स कैन एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज व्हाट वुड बी द एंडिंग. ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द स्टोरी. When Swaminathan entered the V grade classroom, before starting the chapter, again I want to discuss something, that it is a story based on South Indians. Means कि ये story South Indian story है, based on, because Swaminathan used to live in South India. When Swaminathan entered the V grade classroom, a giggle went around the benches. Giggle means हंसना, type हंसना. Okay, a laugh, a shy type smiling, छुपा कर हंसना. जैसे ही स्वामीनाथन क्लासरूम में एंटर किया तो सभी बॉयज क्या कर रहे थे? हंस रहे थे. He walked to his seat hoping that might not be the cause of the giggle. Then what he did? He saw that boys were laughing, but he thought that I may not be the reason of laugh, so he quietly went to his seat. But his classmates continued to laugh. Okay, he looked at himself and then round the classroom. When someone laughs, you feel just awkward that what has happened, is anything wrong with me? You see your right, left, up, down, then you find that everything is okay, then why everyone is laughing? So same situation happens with Swaminathan. His friends again started laughing. No one was able to control his laugh, but Swaminathan could not understand that why they were laughing. His eyes traveled up to the blackboard and then he saw towards the blackboard. His face turned red. जैसे ही वो blackboard की तरफ देखा, he just became angry. Face turned red is a phrase जैसे red लाल हो जाना, जैसे गुस्से में लाल हो जाना. On the board was written a huge letter tail. तो बैकबोर्ड पे क्या लिखा हुआ था? TAIL, टेल मीन्स पूंछ, और पूंछ का पिक्चर बना हुआ था. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. Swaminathan ran to the blackboard and rubbed it off with his hand. Then what did Swami did? He went to the blackboard and erased that. He slowly turned around. His friends Shankar's head was bent over his notebook and around. His friend Shankar and P was busy unpacking his bag. So, after erasing the blackboard, he was trying to find out that who must have written this. Then he turned towards his friend Shankar, then P. They were busy doing in some work. Swami felt very embarrassed. उसे बहुत बुरा लगा. Without a word, he approached P and gave him a fierce slap on his cheek. बिना कुछ कहे, without saying a single word, he went to his friend P and gave him a tight slap. P burst into tears and swore that he did not do it. P was very innocent. He said that, Swami, I didn't do this. Why you beat me? And he started crying. Swaminathan cast a sly look at Shankar. Sly means SLY, cunning, मतलब तेज, मतलब cunning like तेज, cleverness type look दे रहा था वो शंकर की तरफ, who was absorbed in some work, जो कि कोई काम कर रहा था. Swaminathan turned to him and slapped his face, and then Swami went to the Shankar and slapped him. Soon there was a pandemonium. Pandemonium means क्या होता है? Lots of confusion. The meanings are given in the last of the pages. Pandemonium. Shankar, Swaminathan and P rolling over each other, cheering, scratching and kicking one another. All the three friends started fighting among themselves that who has written this. The bell rang. Just then Rajam, Somu and Mani entered. Then another boys entered after ringing the bell. The teacher came in and stood aghast. When teacher came, she was just shocked. Aghast means shocked. Why she was shocked? Because everyone was busy in fighting and talking. He could do little more than look on. He was the old Tamil Pandit. वो एक तमिल पंडित थे teacher, the most composed teacher in the school. Somu and Mani parted the fighters with great difficulty. When the Somu and Rajam entered the class, they saw Shankar and P and Swaminathan. They all three were fighting. They went to them and they parted the fighters. Somu said, Sir, please let us go out. We don't want to disturb the class. Then Somu said that, Sir, we are in some confusion. Let us go out. We will solve our problem because the whole class will be disturbed. The teacher started to answer, but Mani had already gone out, pushing Swaminathan and P before him. Somu followed him with Shankar. Okay? All the friends went out. All the friends went out to solve their problem. Okay? To solve their problem. All the friends came to a lonely spot in the field adjoining the school. They went to the place जो स्कूल के ग्राउंड से थोड़ा सा दूर था, but it was covering the school area, like a playground area. Lonely place, and they were discussing the matter. There was silence for a while, and then Mani said, What is wrong with you little rogues? Rogues means badmash. Okay, rascals. The three started to speak at once. Swami's voice was the loudest. When Mani asks, "What is the matter?" then everyone started talking like this. Then उन तीनों में से सबसे लार्ज वॉइस स्वामी का था. ठीक है. P wrote tail, big tail on the blackboard. Big. No, I didn't. You screamed P. Then Swaminathan said that this P has written tail, T-A-I-L, tail on the blackboard. P said, "No, I haven't." The other two wrote it, cried Swaminathan, pointing at Shankar. "Rascal, did you see me?" howled Shankar. Then Swami said that must be Shankar has written that. Shankar, rascal. Then Shankar in anger said, "Did you see me? क्या तुमने मुझे देखा था लिखते हुए?" Okay, students, we will learn till here. Your duty is to read the chapter till where it is taught, and also you will write the word meanings which is written in the end of the page. Okay, clear? Hope you must have gone through the chapter. You will understand it and listen the video carefully. Thank you.